Welcome back to Frederica Nation. Thank you so much for joining us on today, me and my family. Look, listen, today we're going to be doing a Z Gallery wall art inspired look. You're going to need a foam board from Dollar Tree, Mod Podge from Dollar Tree, and the rest came from Walmart. So stay tuned so I can show you all exactly how I achieve this look. Make sure if you are a new subscriber, if you like this, go ahead and subscribe and hit the ring bell. Come back, join the family. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. But let's get this video to 500 likes. Can we do that? 500 likes. Let's get started. What you're going to do, you're going to take the Mod Podge, okay? You're going to take that, and I am going to simply just put it all on the board right here. And then I'm going to set it to the side. And then I'm going to take the brush and I am going to paint. So once I'm done doing this, I'm going to paint all of this so I can put the glitter on there. But I'm going to do it so that the glitter can be all on the board. But I'm going to layer the glitter. It's going to be, since I got 3 different types of glitter, it's going to be 3 different color glitters. But this is what I'm going to do to achieve this look. So once I'm doing this part, I will come right back. Sorry for the hard view, you all, but I've spreaded the silver glitter on it already. So what I'm about to do now is take the Mod Podge once again, and I'm going to put it on the middle of this foam board because now I want to use a different color glitter to achieve this look. So I'm going to use the pink this time, just because I don't want the gold and silver to go together. I'm going to put the pink in the middle of it. So you just simply spread it onto the foam board. Okay, you spread it onto the foam board. Now, to get it to be thicker, you may need to put more glitter on it. So yeah, I did it with the pink. And so now I have the silver and the pink. Now also, it is time to put the gold on here. So I'm going to spread the gold on here. Okay. Simply just put the Mod Podge on, and then you take your brush and you just, smear it in all over. Okay. And then you're going to put your gold glitter on. But you pack it on as much as you want or as lightly as you want. It depends on what kind of look that you are looking for. Okay. It depends on what you're going for. And I'm going for kind of in between, not too much and nothing, but a little bit of something, something. Okay? And so then that's where you put your the rest of your glitter at. So I'm trying to achieve that look, and now I got my gold glitter, and since it's not open, let me punch it through. Okay, I just punched it through simply with the end of the brush. And I'm going to put my gold all over where I've just put the Mod Podge. Okay? And like I said, you put as much or as little as you want. It depends on what you're looking for. Well, I'm going to smear it with my hands just because I want it to get everywhere where I put that Mod Podge at. Okay, everywhere where I put that Mod Podge. Now, if it's some spaces that the Mod Podge didn't get, I will go back and add it in. Okay. But yeah, I just want to smear it in just a little bit. Now, this is the achieved look. Okay. Now, in between here, I'm going to go back and fill it in, and I'm going to show you all what the overall result is when I'm done. Okay, you guys, I am back, and this is the final achieved look. Ain't that so pretty? Silver, pink, and gold. And that is what I am doing my room in, or those 3 colors, and I'm excited. But yeah, silver, pink, and gold. It is so freaking beautiful. But yeah, Z Gallery inspired wall art, and simply made from the Dollar Tree, and the glitter came from Walmart. But yeah, that's it, you all. And also check out my other video for this here. I made this yesterday. Check out the video. I will link it down below. But yeah, thumbs up if you like it. Let's get this to 500 likes. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the notification bell so you can always look at the uploads and never miss an upload of some DIYs that I've done. And I did this beauty, and stay tuned so I can show y'all how I did this. All right, see you guys.